Today we are going to assemble something really cool. We're going to assemble a flat 6 engine from Playz. This set has over 320 parts. Time to get to building. We're going to put these camshaft holders into the main body. Did you know that flat 6 engines are used in motorcycles, cars, and even aircrafts? Pretty fun project. This is our motor, and we will need to put a timing belt on it. Check this out, the motor is already secured. It's coming along. Pretty cool to see how the engine works. The top is coming in. Working on the lights now. Finally, we attach the engine to the base. My engine is all ready. How do you like it?